In this video, we'll show you how to make a very beautiful and exciting necklace. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you choose conscious, unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories. We also are involved in slow fashion. So, if you are new and passionate by high fashion that cares, please subscribe today. My materials for today are this. This is a metal ribbon, also elastic, and also a fringe bonded ribbon, which is very, very beautiful. That's what our materials. Our findings are so some flowers. That's metal flower with a flat bead bonded to it, and also these are some metal fabric flowers in shape of roses. We also do have cord endings, jump rings, 6 to 7 millimeters, and also a 4 to 5 mils. Also, we have a clasp. We have also an extension. So our tools would be our pliers, scissors, the pickers, glue or craft glue, and also cold heated glue gun with glue sticker. And also we do have a needle with some thread in here, because today I'm thinking to thread to sew this. So this is my take in this very exciting necklace. Thank you very much and stay wonderful and humble.